my Trick family. We're back with your little cow-colored beauty. Anyway, she's doing great. I think she's pretty much ready to go, you guys. I'm not sure how long it's been. I'll look at the calendar when I get back. Anyway, so we're taking her in there. We're going to look and see if they have one of those little plastic basket muzzles like I was talking about for her to wear, because we really need just the smallest thing, I think. But you guys have got to be ready. I've got my neck set on about 20, but if I had to turn it up, I would turn it up. If she at all started engaging in that behavior, you need to immediately hit the nick, get her down, and shut the behavior down.
Yes, you must shut the behavior down.
Oh, she's a wonderful dog. Same thing, you're going to put the collar on in the morning. She's going to have it around the house. Any even slight, you know, anything towards the other dogs, you're going to hit the nick, and that's going to shut it down. Anyway, let's go in here, you guys. Victoria's got the sound box on. She's like, oh my God, I can't believe, you know, I'm making her wear that. I just told her to look around, and she hears the buzzing. That way she's in what's coming. All right, let's go. Ava. Down. What a cutie. Good. Anyway, guys, we're going to be down. We have our little foot tap for the down, but this is how we're going to hold the leash. We have this part in this hand, and then you're kind of controlling your slack with this hand. So we don't want to get the leash all wrapped up like this. We need to be ready. If she did start to go away, that I can drop the slack. You're going to have more leverage. The more you try to restrain a dog, the harder it is. If you just let him go to the end and go the other way, which I know can be difficult because of her previous situation. There you go. You know, and this is what I'm talking about, the collected body language. I really don't want my arms down here. Unnatural at the beginning, but once you get used to it. All right, let's go for a little tour of the store. We haven't been here lately. Yeah. Every time with the pager, remember, the pager isn't a correction, it's a cue. So I'm cueing her. Let's go back on this side, see if we see those muzzles. Continually cue her. Wonderful, wonderful. She's such a good gal. She's a very good gal. Good gal. Work on building up your food drive, but it's really not the most important thing. So the only thing I did was do the pager and tap my foot, and her head went down. I didn't bend, I didn't point, I didn't gesture with the leash at all. We're not familiar with this. but you're always going to have the leash hooked to the electronic collar, and we're always going to have it on. I do want you to use a crate with her when you can't be watching her, because again, the training doesn't work when we're not there. I mean, we've basically reprogrammed her brain, but you know, if we're not there, I don't want you guys leaving her loose with all the other dogs, even though I think she would probably be fine. We don't want to give her a chance. You know. They only have the kind of muscles like you guys have. I'm not really crazy about that for her. I don't think it fits right now. Anyway, I will go online and find out what you guys need. So, talk to you guys soon. Call me, Morgan. Bye.